Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another testing video. You guys seem to like my last one, so I thought I'd make this into like a little series. So today I'm going to be testing MaryKay. I feel like MaryKay is one of those brands we all hear about but haven't really tried. So I figured it's perfect for my testing series. This video is in collaboration with MaryKay. They did send me everything that I'm going to try, but as always, all my thoughts and opinions are my own. So if that's something you want to see, then just keep watching. Also, my hair is annoying me, so I'm gonna tuck it behind my ear. Okay, so I really want to do a wearable look today. I know in the past my testing videos haven't been that wearable, but I am going out after this, so I don't really want to turn up looking like a clown. Not that there's anything wrong with clown makeup, you do you. But yes, today it's something daytime appropriate and very wearable. As usual, I'm gonna start with my eyes in case there's any fallout. You guys know the drill. Let's zoom in. Hello. I'm gonna prime my eyes with the concealer just to hide all that discoloration. And we have a nice even base for the eyeshadow. This is the Perfecting Concealer. Love the packaging. This is the shade Light Beige. So I'm just gonna pop this on my eyelids. Ooh, this is looking very pigmented. And I'm just gonna blend it out with the MaryKay blending sponge. I actually have MaryKay brushes to use today as well, so that's exciting. Okay, so I feel like that blended out really nicely. Now I'm just gonna set that before it creases. And I'm just gonna set that with the powder foundation in Ivory 2. Okay, now time for eyeshadow. I have all of the Chroma Fusion eyeshadows. I've just stuck these in like a magnetic palette. Ignore the mess. These colors look so beautiful, and they're all like super wearable colors as well. I don't know which ones to use, I just want to use all of them. So these are formulated with the MaryKay Matrix technology. So they're supposed to be really pigmented and 12-hour wearing as well. So we're going to put them to the test. I'm feeling, because it's going to be a daytime wear, I want to use lots of mattes, so probably like this row up here. I also have the MaryKay brush collection to use with them. Oh, that's upside down. Love the little pouch, super handy to travel with. So we have 5 brushes. We got a cheek brush, we'll use that later. Powder all over, we'll also use that later. And then 3 eyeshadow brushes. So we've got the eye crease, that's in French, eye smudger, and all over eyeshadow. All the brushes are synthetic and they feel really soft. We're going to start off with Hazelnut, which is this really nice matte warm tone brown. We're going to use this as our transition color. So I'm just going to take some on the brush, blend this into my crease. Oh, this is like a perfect transition color. So far, no fallout. Okay, first impression of the eyeshadow, that blended out so nicely and it was really pigmented. I'm really happy with the eyeshadow. Okay, next up I'm going to take the shade Cinnabar and I'm going to use this to deepen up my crease a little. So just taking that on that crease brush again, blending it in. Ooh. I'm also going to take this onto the outer corner as well. Oh, can we see how pigmented that is? Oh my gosh. I can feel myself going overboard with this look already, and I can just tell it's gonna turn into like this dramatic smoky eye. Restrain yourself, cat. Okay, next shadow I'm gonna take Hot Fudge, and I'm just gonna concentrate this on my outer V. That is not the brush I wanted. Just gonna use that crease brush again. I feel like this brush is really good for concentrating colors in the outer V. It's got like that angle to it. Also, I'm not being very neat with the edges because you guys know we can clean this up with some makeup remover when we're done with our eyeshadow. Oh my god, there's no fallout with this eyeshadow yet either. So the next shadow I'm going to take is Biscotti, and I'm just going to take this on the all over eyeshadow brush. I'm going to use this to highlight my brow bone. So we just want to pat this underneath our eyebrow. Even the light shades are really pigmented. I'm so happy with these eyeshadows. So there's 23 shades in the collection, and I feel like I just can't not use a shimmer shade. So I think I'm gonna go with, this one's Rose Gold. I'm just gonna take some on my finger. I'm just gonna put this on the center of my eyelid. Oh, that is so beautiful. So I'm gonna be using the MaryKay Lash Love Lengthening Mascara. This is making me feel nostalgic. I used to use the MaryKay mascara when I first started my channel. It's bringing back the feels. Oh my gosh, I forgot how much I love this mascara. Oh, I should have curled my lashes. I actually have a MaryKay eyelash curler as well from back in the day, like legit when I started my channel. Hold on. It's so old, but yeah, I use the MaryKay eyelash curler. Oh, the memories. This mascara does an awesome job of separating your lashes. And it's not clumpy and you have no spider lashes. Okay, so now I'm gonna jump off camera, clean up the edges, and I'm also gonna stick on some individual lashes just because I like the way they look, and like I said, I am actually going out after this. Okay, so this is how our eyes are looking so far. I'm really happy with it. Now for foundation, I've got a few of the Time Wise Matte Wear Liquid Foundations. I think I'm gonna go with Beige 4. Now I'm pretty sure I have a foundation brush, so I'm just gonna pop some on the brush. We'll see how much that does. Breaking out on my chin, so we'll see if the foundation covers that. Ooh, wow. So I'm really liking this foundation, guys. Wow, this brush actually does a really good job of blending out foundation. Just trying to scoop my hair out of the way. I lost my hair clip. I'd say the coverage is medium to high. Like it's just covered up all my scarring and my pimple. Got it in my hair. Okay, I'm really liking that foundation. Now that it is, oh, missed a bit. Now that it is completely dry, it is a matte finish, but it's got really good coverage, was really easy to blend. I like it. Okay, now for concealer, I'm gonna go back in with that Perfecting Concealer. My dark circles have been not good lately. I'm gonna use this to hide the discoloration under my eyes and also to highlight. I really like the color of this concealer. It's like yellow toned, which is really good for hiding the blue under my eyes. I feel like that blended out really well. That was really quick as well. I'm like, what do I do with all this extra time? Okay, so I'm gonna set that again with the powder foundation in Ivory 2. That worked quite well. Now I do want to bronze up my face a little. It's currently winter here in Australia, so I feel like I'm looking a little bit pale. So I'm going to go in with the powder foundation in Bronze 2. And I'm just going to work this around the perimeter of my face. Add a bit of bronze, bit of color back. How are we looking? Nice and bronze? Now for blush, I'm going to take the cheek brush and I'm going to take the Juicy Guava blush. It's got like a blush and highlighter duo. So I'm gonna take the blush shade first and tap off the excess. This brush is pretty dense, so you definitely only want to take a little bit on the brush. Next up, I'm gonna use this shade in the blush to highlight. We're just gonna bring back some of that luminosity to our skin. It's like a really natural looking highlight. I was worried that there was gonna be like glittery bits, but there's not. It's like a really subtle highlight. So if you guys like that subtle, natural highlight, this one's for you. Okay, now let's zoom back in and finish off our eyes. So first up, I'm gonna go back in with Hazelnut and I'm gonna take it on the eye smudger brush and I'm gonna smudge this into my lower lash line. Just gonna smoke it out. Then I'm gonna go in with a tiny bit of Cinnabar just on that outer third. We wanna make sure this connects to the top eyeshadow. Last eyeshadow, we're gonna take Crystalline. This is so beautiful and shimmery. I'm just gonna take a little bit on my finger. I'm gonna use it to highlight my inner corners. Oh, that is so beautiful. Now to finish our eyes, we just wanna add some mascara to our bottom eyelashes. Now onto brows. I'm gonna take the Brow Definer pencil in Brunette and draw on some eyebrows. So this pencil is pretty waxy, which I actually find to be a good thing with eyebrow pencils, because that way I'm less likely to go overboard. I'm just gonna take the MaryKay eyebrow and eyeliner brush and just brush my eyebrows, blend that product through. Now all we have left to do is our lips. So I'm thinking like a nude, maybe like nude brown color. I'm gonna start off with the medium nude MaryKay lip liner. It's got a little sharpener in the lid. I get really excited when I find like hidden things. Like when powders also flip up and have a mirror. Whew. Oh my gosh. This is so creamy. That's one layer and I barely touched my lip. Oh my gosh. Okay, lips are lined. Now I am gonna use a lipstick. Keep in mind my lips are really dry at the moment. So is my skin actually. I think it's because it's like 8 degrees outside and I also haven't been drinking enough water. So for lipstick, I'm gonna use the Rich Truffle MaryKay lipstick. Love the packaging of this. And I like that you can actually see the lipstick through the lid. Ooh, this color looks so pretty. Let's do this. That's beautiful. This is a matte lipstick. That feels really nice on the lips. I'm really surprised by that lipstick. My lips are so dry and it's not looking disgusting. It's actually looking really good. You guys have seen me apply like matte lipsticks on dry lips in the past and it's not been cute, but this actually looks really good. So this is our final look. I'm really happy with it. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to my channel if you guys want to see more videos from me. I feel like I'm talking really fast because my nose is about to run again. Yeah, thumbs up and subscribe if you guys like this video and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye guys!